what you doing. Oh, you slapped me, boy.
My bad. It's a fly flying around here somewhere. I was just trying to kill you.
And my hand is big, right? Now you see how far apart these are? Like nothing. It's nothing. Yeah, well, you're not a fucking jump.
Look at these dogs, bruh. They out here ganging up on the mailman. Bro can't even get out of his car, bro. They on his ass.